How to use TikTok without internet? Yes, you heard me right. You can use TikTok without internet. To do this, you must change few TikTok settings. So first thing first, open your TikTok app. Now here on bottom right hand side of your screen, you will see this profile icon. So tap on it. Now here on top right hand side of your screen, you will find this hamburger icon. So tap on it. And then you will see this kind of pop-up. Here tap on settings and privacy. Now simply scroll down all the way to bottom. Here on case and cellular, you will find this icon offline videos, so tap on it. And then you will see this kind of pop-up, offline videos. Download videos to watch offline. They will be refreshed with new content when you are next connected to Wi-Fi. So here you will find 4 different options: 50 videos, 100 videos, 150 videos and 200. So select any of them. You need to have space available on your device. So select any of them and then tap on download. You must remember that you should have at least 2 GB left on your device. So select any plan and then tap on download. This is all you need to do to watch TikTok offline. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.